Hello everyone, my name is Kunal Trehan, and through this video I would like to uh, thank Rahul Chauhan, my mentor who has been helping me in a deeper understanding about investment and equity market. I would like to highlight three takeaways which have been very instrumental in my learning. First of all, Rahul comes up with a very structured framework uh, which helps me to learn about investing uh, and the equity market as a whole. Second, Rahul knows exactly what and how much to impart in terms of knowledge, which makes him a great mentor, I would say. And he's doing a fantastic job. I really hope that he can keep making a difference that he's trying to make while he's trying to educate and create a financial literacy uh, and monetize the complete thing. Third, his shared case studies and examples come with a deep understanding and insight about the market, which is very, very important as far as I understand while you are planning to create a portfolio. So these three are my takeaways, and I'm sure you should and you would be looking forward to having Rahul as your mentor. So best of luck, Rahul, and thank you from the bottom of my heart. I wish you all the best. Keep doing the great work you're doing. Thanks.